So today we're going to be building some easy, cost-effective shelves which you can pick up from your local Bunnings warehouse. You don't need any screws or hammers or anything like that. It's all clicked together with keyhole technology. All you really need is just a mallet, and away you go. As you can see, I'm starting off with building the base first. Just make sure the holes are lined up, little tap, and you're done. One of these units, each shelf will carry about 150 kilos. So when building one of these shelves, it's best to remember to use a flat surface so you're not getting wobbly all over the place. And also measure out the area that you're working with. Depending on your heights and all that sort of stuff, you may have some restrictions. So once you've got your base level, it's already nice and easy. You can do it a few different ways. I personally like to build it layer by layer because that way it's the most stable when coming up towards the top. So now the tricky part is getting to your second level. You've got to make sure that you're even on both sides. A little trick I like to use is count the spare holes in between both shelves for both sides. 9. That's it. Once they're all even, just a little tap, and you just work around. Easy peasy. This part here, this is actually the support bar that goes underneath all your shelves. So you have got those heavy items. Always a great idea to put these in. And they just slot into place like so. Okay. So place in your second shelf. 2/3 of the way there. And we just pop on our last support bar. Clip it in like that. Voila, how easy was that?